A big question I get asked all the time, are the CF Moto Ibex 800 camshafts any better than the KTM camshafts? Well guys, stick around, let's look deeper into this. I got some news for you. Alright everybody, thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching. As you guys can see, we start recording out of my new little YouTube studio here at my shop, 701 Cycles. It's not completely done, but I work with what I got. So step by step, I'm going to finish this all up nicely. But for now, we work with what we got. So today, I'm going to talk about the CF Moto camshaft. We all know the KTM camshaft issues that I made a whole bunch of videos about on my channel. Other YouTubers have digged into it. It's a well-known problem. We all know what's going on. We all also know that KTM is, facing bankruptcy, so that's not good. But anyways, the camshafts. In almost all my videos, in the comments, somebody always asks, hey, what about the CF Moto, the Ibex 800? And I always had to answer that we really don't know yet because the motorcycles are too new. They do not have enough mileage on yet to really show any issues. And that was until today I've stumbled across a video from another YouTuber. His channel is Ozark's Backroads, sorry. I'm gonna post a link to his channel in the description so you guys can click on it. So this fellow has an Ibex 800, he claims has a little bit over 10,000 miles on, and he is taking the valve cover off to do valve clearance inspection and check his camshafts. So here's a very short cut of his video where right now he explains that he cannot feel anything with the fingernails, that this is all great, yet this is just a KTM deal and no other manufacturer is the fingernail trick applicable, because it's really not a thing. Camshafts should last the entire life of a motorcycle. They are not service items like your tires or brakes. So this already humbug, but anyways. So right here, you guys can see that his camshafts do not look any better than Joe's camshafts did at 2,000 miles. Right here you can see marks on the top of the lobe. You can see pitting all the way around. So this should somewhat answer the question that most of you guys have out there. With 10,000 miles, this is not too bad at all. This camshaft actually might last 40, 50,000 miles, which is still not great because it should last the entire life of the motorcycle, but compared to KTM, this is not too bad. Yet, we can see CF Moto did not fix that issue. Alright guys, today this is a short video. I just want to show you guys what I found, hopefully answer some questions that some of you have. I'm going to keep digging into that whole situation. If you find something that actually fixes the problem, I will talk about it. I'm still trying to get my own 790 so I can take a motor completely apart and really just go through it step by step to see really if we can see what's going on with those motors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. See you guys in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.